Hello, Professor. Hope all is well. For this week's screencast-o-matic, I'm going to be going through the Chapter 6, Try This, Measure Your System Preferences. So for Step 1, Windows key and X. And then we're going to open the Task Manager right here. For Step 2, we're going to go to the Performance tab, looking at the CPU usage. Right here I have a video running, just some visuals. Step 3, we can go to, or Step 2 rather, we're in the Performance tab and we're looking at my CPU usage, only 7-8%. Over here at Step 3, we can go down to Memory. About 32 gigabytes of RAM currently, and I got 7 gigs in use right now. Finally, for Step 4, we're going to check the disk. I got a 1 terabyte SSD currently. Give me just a sec. Very loud. Oh, there we go. There's disk 1. I have an SSD, and then I have a 2 terabyte Seagate Barracuda hard drive, but all my stuff runs off the SSD. Alrighty. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. And there was the measurement of my system preferences.